Our customers love Ramp. It's great for expense management, for AP, for corporate cards. They're killing it right now. And you can use FinOptimal's accrual accounting app, Accruer, to do both AP and expense management in Ramp at the same time that you're doing prepaid expense accounting. And all you have to do is add 3 words to the description in Ramp, and everything else is done automatically. You're literally just going to use Ramp like you normally would. You log in, but while you're entering information for the bill, in the description, you include the magic phrase "for the period." That is the trigger for Accruer. And when it sees "for the period" and the dates, it determines if it's an asset or a liability and does all of the accrual accounting for you just based on the description. And you'll finish categorizing in Ramp like you normally would. And Ramp is going to sync to QuickBooks like it normally would. But this time it's going to have "for the period" in the description, and Accruer is going to work its magic automatically. If we look at the P&L, we can see it's booked $2,000 a month, straight lining it across those dates. And yes, Accruer can do prorations too if you need it to. And of course, we weren't going to skip the balance sheet. You can see that Accruer has journaled that $24,000 prepaid expense balance all the way to zero. Again, it's all happening based on the description. And it doesn't just calculate and book journal entries, it also creates the backup file. Here's an example of the support you can get from the system. You'll see it's a traditional roll forward schedule where you're seeing the beginning balances, what was added, what's been recognized, what the ending balances are. It's fully audit ready. So all you need to do this is to sign up for Accruer, and that's it. Once you sign up and set it up, writing those 3 words in Ramp will trigger Accruer to do prepaid expense accounting for you automatically. It's never been easier.